Hi, I'm Mika Davis, and I'm one of the Instructional Technology Consultants at UNCG. In this video, I will showcase how to produce a virtual poster session with Canvas Studio. Let's get started. To record a screen capture, navigate to Studio on the blue panel navigation. Click the Record button, then click Screen Capture. To record the screen, download and install the application. Prior to recording, adjust your settings to choose the type of recording, screen size, narration option, and whether or not you wish to capture computer audio or just your voiceover. Navigate to your preferred window, then begin recording your virtual poster session by clicking the Record button. As you're recording, use the presenter view to advance your presentation as you narrate each slide of your virtual poster session. When finished, click the Pause button. Then select Done. To upload the screen capture, enter a title, description, and then click the Upload button. You may also edit, redo, or cancel the capture. Contact 6Tech or your ITC for additional assistance.